Question number 6. You can see if n epsilon is equal to 50 and a is equal to 28 and n b is equal to 30, then what is the greatest value of n a union b? So you know what is the greatest value of n a union b? You know every set is a subset of universal set, so a union b is a subset of a union b is a subset of universal set. That's why a union b, number of elements in a union b will be always less than equal to n of e. Always elements will be less than and equal to, it can be less than or equal to universal set. It can't be more than universal set. So number of elements in universal set is equal to 50. So greatest value of n a union b will be what? 50. Now question number 7. Question number 7. N epsilon is equal to 48. N of a dash union b dash, a dash union b dash is equal to 36. Then find n of a intersection b. So I know this one is given n of a dash union b dash is equal to what? 36. And a dash union b dash, I can write n of a, and this union will be intersection b and whole dash is equal to 36. It is a De Morgan's law. And a dash union b dash, I can write a intersection b whole dash. Now I know whenever I have to find complement of a set, I have to subtract it from universal set. N epsilon minus n a intersection b. So n epsilon is equal to how much? It is given 48 minus n a intersection b, we don't know. I will write the value n a intersection b and I will substitute n intersection b whole dash, that is what? 36. And this n a intersection b negative, one will come this side, so it will be positive, and a intersection b is equal to 48 minus 36, that is how much? 12. So answer is what? 12. Now question number 8. Now question number 8, you can see question number 8. N of epsilon is equal to what? 40. N of a is equal to what? 22. N of a intersection b is equal to what? 8. And n of a union b whole dash, a union b whole dash is equal to what? 6, and you have to find n of b. So first I will do a union b whole dash. First I will solve from here. N of a union b whole dash is equal to 6, and I know how to find the complement of a set. It will be what? N of epsilon minus n of a union b. I know this value, this is what? 6 is equal to n epsilon, that is given 40 minus n a union b. This negative of n a union b will come this side, so it will be positive of n a union b is equal to 40. This plus 6 will go that side, so it will be minus 6. So answer is what? 34. And a union b is what? 34. But they are asking n of b. They are asking n of b. So how will I find n of b? Now see. N of b. So I will write first formula of n a union b. N of a union b is equal to what? N of a plus n of b minus n of a intersection b is equal to n of a union b is equal to what? 34. That is what? 34 is equal to n a is given 22 plus n of b we have to find minus n of a intersection b, that is what? 8. 34 is equal to 22 minus 8. I can say that is 14 plus n of b. So this 34 minus 14 is equal to n of b. That is what? N of b is equal to how much? 34 minus 14 is equal to 20. So answer is what? 20. Now question number 9. Now question number 9. N of epsilon is equal to 50. N of epsilon is equal to what? 50. N of a is equal to 20. N of a is equal to 20. n of b is equal to 26, n of b is equal to 26, n of a union b whole dash is equal to 6. You have to find first n of a intersection b. Second, you have to find n of a minus b. So first let's see n of a union b whole dash is given. That is how much? 6. So I can write n of a union b whole dash is equal to n of epsilon minus n of a union b. So I can substitute the value, that is 6 is equal to n epsilon, that is 50 minus n of a union b. So this n of a union b will come this side, so it will be positive of n a union b is equal to 50 minus 6, that is how much? 44. N of a union b is equal to how much? 44. Now n of a union b is equal to 44. Total is 44. Okay. So you have to find n a intersection b. So n of, first I'll tell this Venn diagram, you can see here. This total is what? A union B, that is given how much? 44. Now n of A union B, I can write n of A union B is equal to what? This part is NA, this part is NB, and this is A intersection B. This part is A minus B, and that part is B minus A. So I can write n of A plus n of B minus n of A intersection B. I want n of A intersection B, and I know the value of n A union B, n A and n B. I will substitute all the values. So I will get this is 44 is equal to this is 20 plus 26 minus n A intersection B. 44 is equal to 46 minus n A intersection B. So this negative of n A intersection B will come this side, so it will be positive of n A intersection B is equal to this 46 minus 44. That side it will go 44, it will be negative 44. So answer will be what? A intersection B. How many elements are there in A intersection B is equal to 2. Now they are asking what is the value of n A minus B, means what, how many elements are there in this part. So how can you find? I can do n A minus n A intersection B. So I get n A, total number of elements in A, minus total number of elements in A intersection B. So I will get elements in A minus B. So n A minus n A intersection B. We know all the values. N A is what? 20 minus n A intersection B is what? First we know n A intersection B is equal to how much? 2. So 20 minus 2, that is what? 18. So question number 9. Now question number 10. Now question number 10, you can see here. Question number 10. If n epsilon is equal to 50, n epsilon is equal to what? 50, and